Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I have a confession, I get hangry pretty easily, but Quest protein bars always come to my rescue, especially the birthday cake flavor. This is my favorite flavor ever. So what I love about these protein bars are the fact that they only contain less than 1 gram of sugar. They contain 4 grams of carbs, that's it. And they also contain 50% of your recommended daily intake of fiber, which is crazy. The best part though is that they contain 20 grams of protein. So when you need a snack and something that's gonna keep you full for the rest of the day, you want something with a really high content of protein. So 20 grams of protein in this one bar is definitely gonna keep you satisfied for hours. What I love about these bars as well is the fact that they can be used as a dessert replacement because they actually taste like you're eating something super sweet, but in the end, you're really only eating less than 1 gram of sugar. So let me show you what these bars look like. You can see they have the little birthday sprinkles on top, and inside, they're super, super chewy. They're so delicious. Like seriously, you think you're eating birthday cake. It's so good. Anyways, I highly recommend these bars. You should definitely get them. And that's my point of view.